This tiny device might know you better than your parents. And after testing it for just 24 hours, I'm not sure if I should be impressed, or honestly, a little scared. Because this isn't just another smart gadget. It listens, it watches, and somehow it predicts what you're about to do before you even do it. Yeah, I didn't believe it either, so I decided to test it. For a full day, I let this AI device track everything. My voice, my habits, my routine, even my random thoughts. And what happened next was not normal. At first, it felt like any other tech product. Small, minimal, almost harmless. You clip it on, connect it to your phone, and it starts learning. It analyzes your voice patterns, your location, your daily behavior, basically your entire life. And within just a few hours, it starts making suggestions. Simple things at first. Drink water, take a short break, reply to that message. Normal, right? But then things started getting weird. Around lunchtime, I hadn't even thought about food yet, and suddenly the device sends a notification. Try ordering a chicken sandwich today. Now here's the creepy part. That's exactly what I was craving, but I hadn't searched it, I hadn't said it out loud, so how did it know? I ignored it at first. Coincidence, right? But it kept happening. Later that day, I picked up my phone, not to check anything important, just instinct. And right before I unlocked it, the device vibrates. Limit screen time. You've already checked your phone 42 times today. 42 times? I didn't even realize I was doing that. It was like it was watching every move, every habit, every tiny decision. And then came the moment that actually made me stop. I was sitting quietly, doing nothing, and out of nowhere it says, "You seem distracted, maybe go for a walk." I hadn't said anything, I hadn't moved, but somehow it knew exactly how I felt. At this point, it didn't feel like a gadget anymore. It felt like something observing me, learning me, understanding me better than I understand myself. And that's when I decided to push it further. I wanted to see how far this thing could go. So I stopped making decisions completely. I let the AI decide everything, what I eat, what I watch, when I work, when I rest. And honestly, it did a pretty good job. Too good. It optimized my day better than I could. I was more productive, less distracted, even a little healthier. But at the same time, it felt like I was losing control, like my life was slowly being handed over to a machine. And here's the part most people don't realize. This kind of data, it's already being collected. Every app you use, every search you make, every video you watch, it's all feeding into systems just like this. This device just makes it visible, real. And maybe that's why it feels so uncomfortable. Because for the first time, you can actually see how much technology knows about you. So the real question isn't, is this gadget impressive? Because it is. The real question is, how much control are you willing to give up? Because once something knows you this well, it doesn't just assist you, it can influence you, and maybe even control you. So, would you actually use something like this? Or is this where we draw the line? Let me know what you think. And if you're into future tech like this, make sure to stick around, because what's coming next is even crazier.